Hi, my name is Youlinlin. I'm registered acupuncturist and registered massage therapist in TUINA. Today I'm going to show you guys how acupuncture works, and I'm going to demonstrate a treatment using acupuncture for the lower back pain due to lumbar muscle strain. The client came in with the problem with the lower back pain, mostly on the right side, around L4, L5 level, and the pain radiating down along the thigh all the way to her calf. And then the cause of the pain is due to she spent a lot of time sitting and driving, and then due to the bad posture and not enough support from the lower back, and then the muscle around the L4, L5 level gets too tight and compress the nerve. And that's why she has nerve pain all the way down along to her leg, all the way down to the bottom of the foot. To help release the pain, I'm going to use different modalities. I can use acupuncture, which is the needles, and then the moxa and also the cuppings to help the problem. But today we focus on using the needles. Okay, so I'm going to use the alcohol just to sanitize the lower back area. Now I'm going to use the needles to just insert it one by one. Usually it doesn't cause that much pain. You ready? Do you feel like something transferring down all the way? Or do you feel more locally? More locally? So by doing acupuncture, it will help to bring the blood circulation and bring the blood flow to the specific area. That will help to release the pain, and also to make the qi flow gets better. And based on TCM theory, the illness is caused by the qi flow doesn't go through very well on the body, and that will help to get the qi and blood flow better to the area. So I'm going to attach the electric device to the needles, and the electric device will provide the vibration, which will help to relax the muscles. So one on the left, one on the right side, and one more on the leg. And I'm going to adjust the device from little and to go upper, depends how much the client can take. So we will leave the device vibration for 20 minutes. So I can also use the cupping to get rid of the stasis and stagnation of the local area for the lumbar spine. Place the ginger on the local points, and then place the moxa on top of the ginger. Ginger has a nature of warmness that will help to also get rid of the pain by increasing the yang energy to the local area. And moxa also has the same function, increasing the yang energy, which we call yang qi. Because the heat and the nature of the moxa can help to get rid of the qi and blood stagnation.